Hello, I'm Sridhar. I'm going to explain about the in this video I'm going to explain about the general mechanism of corrosion of a metal and with one example of metal of corrosion. Okay, in the last period we discussed on the what is the corrosion, what are the factors influences the rate of corrosion. Okay, briefly to give the information on this. Okay, corrosion is a slow and gradual disintegration process due to the environment is called as corrosion. Example for the corrosion is rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver, etc. And also, what are the factors influences the rate of corrosion? Okay, number one, the position of metal in electrochemical series, the physical state of a metal, the pH of the electrolyte, impurities present in the atmosphere, acids present in the atmosphere, nature of the corrosion products, and nature of the corroding medium, the impure state of the metal. Okay, these are the temperature. These are the different factors influences the rate of the corrosion of the metal. Okay, in this period at end we know about the what is the general mechanism of corrosion of a metal, what is the rust, what is the chemical formula of rust, what are the factors influence the rusting of iron, and also know the mechanism of the rusting of iron. Okay, okay, this theory was introduced by the Whitney. How the metal is involved in the corrosion process. Okay, that can be explained in this theory, that is the electrochemical theory of corrosion. Okay, most of the corrosion takes place on the basis of electrochemical reactions on the surface of metal. Such a type of corrosion is known as wet corrosion. Okay, next, electrochemical theory of corrosion can be taking iron as an example. When a metal like iron is exposed to the environment, according to the electrochemical theory of corrosion of a metal takes place due to the formation of anodic and cathodic regions on the same metal surface, or when the two metals are in contact with each other in a corrosive medium. Okay, okay, that may be same type or different type of metals. Okay, based on the reactivity, that part is acts as anode and another one acts as cathode. The anode part is acts as involves in the corrosion first. Okay, these anodes and cathodes are formed due to the heterogeneity genetics geneticities at the interfaces of a metal and environment. Okay, the heterogeneity on a metal surface could develop due to the several factors, like on a metal surface, if the concentration of the oxygen is different. Okay, if in the metal area which is exposed to the more oxygen acts as cathode, the area which is exposed less oxygen is that is concentrated acts as anode. Okay. Okay, based on this we can observe the which one is anode, which one is cathode. Okay, the less oxygenated area acts as anode, the more oxygenated area is of a metal is acts as cathode. Okay, number 2, due to contact of two different metals, example, if copper and iron are in contact with each other, then iron acts as anode and copper acts as cathode due to the change in the electrode potentials. Okay, next one is, if a metal surface subjected to stress, the area stress acts as anode. Okay, these are the different concepts to identify the which one is anode and which one is cathode in the metals. Okay, in metal surface cases, the less exposed part of oxygen is acts as anode, the more oxygen exposed part is acts as cathode. Okay, in the case of different metals, okay, based on the change in the electrode potential, okay, that is through electrochemical series, we observe the which one is anode and which one is cathode. And third one is, the metal surface is subjected to stressed or not or bended. Okay, the stressed and or bended area is acts as anode, and unbended and uncurved area is acts as cathode. Okay, the anodic and cathodic area are formed in the presence of corrosion medium like moisture, etc. Okay, an anode, the oxidation reaction takes place so that metal is converted into the metal ions with the liberation of electrons like this. Metal gives test to with a, if it contains n number of electrons, it gives mn plus n number of electrons. At cathodic regions, the reduction takes place since the metal at cathodic region cannot be reduced further, and some constituents of the corrosive medium take part in the cathodic reaction. That is H2, 2H2O plus 2 oxygen. Okay, these are present in the atmosphere. Okay, these can be takes the 4 electrons from the anodic area, then it converts as hydroxyl ions. Okay, the diffusion of metal ion formed at anode and non-metal ions formed at cathode to form the corresponding products. That is Mn plus n number of electrons gives rise to MOH taken n times, that is a metal hydroxide. This one is the corrosion product. Okay, let us see once again these points in the electrochemical theory of corrosion of a metal. Okay, most of the corrosion takes places on the base of electrochemical reactions on the surface of a metal. Such a corrosion is known as wet corrosion. Okay, this can be explained by the Whitney. Okay, when we observe where the metal iron is when a metal like iron is exposed to environment, according to the electrochemical theory of corrosion of a metal takes place due to the formation of anodic and cathodic regions on the same metal surface, or when two metals are in the contact with each other in a corrosive medium. Okay, these anodes or cathodes are formed due to the heterogeneities at the interfaces of the metals and environment. Okay, the heterogeneities on a metal surface could be developed due to the several factors like, okay, the metal surface and metal surface, okay, which is the less oxygenated part is acts as anode, the more oxygenated part of the metal is acts as cathode. Okay, in the case of two different metals, okay, according to the electrode potential values, okay, that can be arranged, those metals are arranged in electrochemical series. Okay, the metal which is placed above in electrochemical series is acts as higher reactivity than the metal placed below the electrochemical series. Okay, if the metal surface is subjected to the stressed or unstressed, stressed or curved areas are acts as anode, whereas the uncurved and Unstressed parts are cathodes. Okay, thus anodic and cathodic areas are formed in the presence of corrosion medium like mixture. Okay, at anode, the oxidation reactions takes place so that the metal is converted into the metal ions with the liberation of electron. Example, when M metal is containing the n number of electrons, at anode this can be converts as Mn plus n number of electrons. Okay, this is the oxidation reaction. Okay, those electrons are moved towards cathodic area through the environment. The reduction takes place since the metal is at cathodic region cannot be reduced further. Some constituents of the corrosive medium take part in the cathodic reaction, that is 2H2O plus O2 plus 4 electrons gives rise to 4OH minus. Okay, in this case, at anode, the metal ions are formed from anode. The non-metal ions are formed at cathode. The diffusion of these metal ions and non-metal ions forms the a corresponding product like corrosion product like metal hydroxides, and these can be further uh, reduction and it forms as metal oxides. Okay, now let us discuss the what is the rusting of iron. What is the rust? Okay, just now we discussed the general mechanism of a metal. Now we have to take the one example of the metal like iron, that is the corrosion of a iron metal is called as rusting of iron. Okay, a slow and gradual disintegration of iron metal due to the environment is called as rusting of iron. Okay, this also called as, it is also defined as corrosion of iron metal is also called as rusting of iron. Okay, next let us discuss in examination they may ask as question, what is the rust? Rust is an iron oxide, a usually reddish brown oxide formed by the reaction of iron and oxygen in the presence of water or air moisture. Okay, this rust is an iron oxide. Okay, it is generally it is usually reddish brown surface oxide, and it is formed by the reaction of iron and oxygen in the presence of water or air moisture. Okay, the chemical formula of rust is Fe2O3 XH2O. Next one is, okay, what are the factors that affects the rusting of iron? Okay, just now we discussed the some factors in the last period. Okay, the same as that that also affects the rusting of iron. Okay, many factors that speed up the rusting of iron, such as moisture content in the environment and pH of the surrounding area. Okay, and next let us discuss detail. Okay, some of these factors like moisture. Okay, the corrosion of iron is limited to the availability of water in the environment. The exposure to the rains in the most common reason for my rusting. Okay, in the case of acids, if the pH of the environment surrounding the metal is low, okay, the rusting process is quick-ended. The rusting of iron speed up when it exposed to acid rains. The higher pH inhibits the corrosion of iron. And next one is salt. Okay, iron tends to rust faster in the seawater due to the presence of various salts. Okay, the salt water contains many ions that speed up the rusting process via electrochemical reactions. And impurities. Okay, if pure iron tends to rust more slowly when compared to the iron containing mixture of metals. Okay, and next one is the size of the iron object can also affect the speed of the rusting process. Okay, these are the different factors or influences the rusting of iron, that is acid, salt, moisture, impurity and size. Okay, these are the play a key role in the rusting of iron. Okay. Okay, what is the chemistry behind the rusting of iron? Okay, let us see this concept. The exposure of iron to oxygen in the presence of moisture leads to the formation of rust. Okay, this reaction is not instantaneous. It generally proceeds over a considerably large time frame. Okay, and next one is the oxygen atoms bond with the iron atoms, resulting in the formation of iron oxides. Okay, this weakens the bonds between the iron atoms in the object or surface. It forms the one layer on the metal surface. Okay, the reaction of rusting of iron involves in the increasing of oxidation rate of iron accompanied by the losing of electrons. Rust is mostly made up of two different oxides of iron that vary in the oxidation state of the iron atom. These oxides are, first one is iron 2 oxides or ferrous oxides. Okay, the oxidation state of iron in this compound is plus 2 and its chemical formula is FeO. Okay, in the case of ferric oxide, that is iron 3 oxidation state, okay, where the iron atom exhibits in oxidation state of plus 3, then the chemical formula of this compound is Fe2O3. Okay, the chemical reaction given by this rusting of iron is Fe gives rise to Fe plus 2 electrons. Okay, the oxidation state of iron is further increased by the oxygen atoms when the water is present. Okay, that is Fe plus 2 ions. Again, it will be combined with the oxygen and it forms as ferric ion. Sometimes this may be gives the directly ferric ions. Okay, some of the cases the oxidation state of iron the further is increased by the oxygen atoms when water is present. Okay, that is F2 Fe plus 2 O2 gives rise to 2 Fe3 plus 2 O2 minus. Okay, now the following acid base reactions occur in between the iron cations and water molecules. That is Fe plus 2 H2O gives rise to FeOH taken twice plus 2H plus. Okay, this can be observed the one the iron metal. Okay, this is the water drop. Okay, the inside part of the water drop is acts as anode. The outside part of water drop is metal is acts as cathode. Okay, here Fe plus 2 and this will be completely converts as FeOH taken twice. FeOH taken twice and it will be combined as ferric hydroxide. Again it will when it loses the water molecule and it forms the rust. Okay, and next one is the hydroxides of iron also formed from the direct reaction between the iron cations and hydroxide ions. That is O2 plus 2H2O plus 4 electrons gives rise to 4OH minus. Again this Fe plus 2 ions combines with the OH minus and it forms a ferrous hydroxide. if it may combine with the ferric ions and it forms the ferric hydroxide. The resulting hydroxides of iron now undergo the dehydration of yield in the iron oxides that constituent rust. There is 2 FeOH taken thrice gives H2 Fe2O3 plus 3 minus X H2. Okay, once again I have to discuss the rusting of iron mechanism. That is, first the chemical reaction of this rust is, first it will be formed in the case of 2 or 3 types, that may be in the +2 oxidation state or +3 oxidation state we observe. Okay, for example, if you have to expose it into the machine, okay, this can be, first iron metal can be converted as Fe plus 2 electrons. Again this will be combined with the moisture in that oxygen, and it forms as a ferric ions with the liberation of oxides. Now the following acid base reactions are occurs in the iron cations and water molecules, that is Fe plus 2OH2 used as 2 FeOH taken twice plus 2H plus. Okay, these hydroxides of iron also formed in the direct reaction between the iron cations and hydroxide ions. That is O2 plus 2H, H2O plus 4 electrons gives rise to 4OH minus. This is a cathodic reaction. Again, these cations and anions are combined to form the ferric hydroxide and ferrous hydroxides. As a resulting, these hydroxides of iron undergo the dehydration and it forms the iron oxides that constitute rust. That is 2 FeOH taken thrice gives rise to Fe2O3 plus 3 minus X H2. Okay. Okay. In this period, we discussed about the know the general mechanism of the corrosion of metals, and what is the rust, and the chemical formula of the rust, and the mechanism of rusting of iron mechanism, and also we discussed about the factors influences the rusting of iron. Okay, now let us see some examples for this. Is the rusting of iron is the oxidation process, liquid metal corrosion, wet corrosion, corrosion by other gases. Okay, right answer is oxidation process. The rusting of iron comes under the oxidation corrosion. Direct action, oxygen at low temperature will be on the metals. Okay, next one is corrosion metals. Corrosion between the dissimilar metals is called as galvanic corrosion, dry corrosion, cathodic corrosion, concentration corrosion. This one is the correct answer is dissimilar metals, means that is indicates galvanic cell. Okay, by that the corrosion between the dissimilar metals is called as the galvanic corrosion. Okay, the dry corrosion also called as chemical reaction. Okay, in this frequently asked questions are the what is the general mechanism of the corrosion of metals, what is the rusting of iron and its chemical formula, what is the rust and its chemical formula, and the mechanism, and ask the mechanism of rusting of iron with the examples or with chemical reactions. Okay, thank you.